Hello friends, you're watching TNWS channel, and in this video I will show you some details and analytics of SILKROAD crypto token. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. Here, as you're watching on CoinMarketCap, we have SILKROAD crypto token and currently trading on this price. And here also we have its contract address, and also here we have its previous graph so that you can predict the price of SILKROAD token will go up or down in future. And also, if you want to buy SILKROAD token, simply you just need to copy its contract address from CoinMarketCap and then go to Trust Wallet and open Pancake exchange, and you can easily buy SILKROAD crypto token. And here also its marketplaces so that you can easily buy or sell SILKROAD token. So just watch complete video for more details about SILKROAD crypto token.